Have you ever wondered what's inside a black hole? Black holes are some of the most mysterious and wild places in the universe. But trying to understand exactly what's in there means pushing the limits of classical physics. Ready? Let's dive into this unknown corner of the universe. First, let's quickly remind ourselves what a black hole is. Black holes are so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape from them. They're basically the vacuum cleaners of the universe. But don't worry, they're not as scary as they sound. Now let's imagine what you'd encounter if you were brave enough to actually fall into one. You're falling toward a black hole, and the first thing you'll reach is the event horizon. This is the boundary of a black hole. Once you cross it, there's no turning back. But if we were to fall in, we might not even realize we're moving at light speed. You'd be falling so fast you wouldn't even feel the passage of time. Picture this. As you fall into the black hole, all the stars, planets, everything starts shrinking around you. There's this glowing light around you. What is it? Oh, that's what's known as the spaghetti effect. The gravitational pull is so strong that it stretches and thins you out like spaghetti. Meanwhile, something else starts happening. Time and space begin to warp. Time slows down so much that for anyone watching from the outside, you would appear frozen in place, unable to move, but on your side, you keep falling further. If you're lucky, you might pass through the event horizon without ever fully understanding what's going on. Now, what's at the heart of a black hole? Sadly, that's still a big mystery. Scientists are trying to reach the singularity at the center of a black hole, but no one really knows what's there. It's a place where gravity becomes infinitely strong and time and space completely merge into one. It's the most extreme condition the universe can offer. In the end, black holes remain an unsolved riddle. Every day, new theories are being proposed, but we still can't see inside them, nor can we use them as a gateway to other places. But one day, perhaps, as we uncover more of the universe's secrets, we'll learn more about black holes.